Hi, I'm Poh. I'm about to teach you how to make a creamy ale-braised whole chicken with Poh lentils in my Crockpot Express Easy Release Oval Multi-Cooker. To start off with, Mirepoix. Cut this onion into a 5mm dice. The Mirepoix is essentially an aromatic base that forms the foundation of the flavour. 2 cloves of garlic, which I'm going to crush. And then 1 carrot, which I'm also going to dice into 5mm cubes. Last but not least, a stick of celery. With the Mirepoix done, I'm going to chop up the rest of my ingredients. I feel that Brussels sprouts are one of the most maligned vegetables on the planet, but I love them. Next, the carrots. I always put a lot of vegetables in my stews because I enjoy them, and they add a lot of sweetness as well to the gravy. Last, we're just going to slice the bacon into battens. This will, of course, add some beautiful smokiness and a lot of flavour. So guess what time it is? It's browning chicken time! So you just want to press brown sear and then start stop. I should wait, but the pot heats up so quickly. I'm just going to pop my chicken straight in. So what we're trying to do is brown as much of that chicken as possible because colour is flavour. What I love about this brown sear function is that it caramelizes the food beautifully, and instead of using lots of different pots and pans, you're just using the one pot, which means way less washing. Chicken has finished browning. So next, mushrooms. It's really important to brown all your ingredients individually because all that caramelization that collects on the surface of all the ingredients will then fall back into the stew, and that's what creates that beautiful depth of flavour. So this is where the Mirepoix comes in. I'm going to add a dash of olive oil so it doesn't burn the butter, and then the Mirepoix and the bacon go in. I usually add a pinch of salt at this point, but there's bacon in there, so that'll do the job. Start, stop, brown sear again, and then start, stop. Easy. This is one of my favourite smells in the world, that Mirepoix cooking in that butter with that hit of thyme. It is just so comforting. So I've got my chicken stock, my dark ale, red wine vinegar, creme fraiche, mustard, and lentils. A bit of salt and a good hit of pepper. Start, stop, meat poultry, reduce that to 20 minutes, and then I can slide everything in. It's a pretty full house in here, but I'm loving how much I can fit into this Crockpot Express Easy Release Oval Multi-Cooker. Next, we're going to pop the lid on. This is also a brilliant new feature. With a quick twist of this little handle on top, it's locked. And then you just want to make sure that steam release dial is closed. Just press, start, stop, and we're away. So the chicken is done. First things first, I'm going to release the steam valve. Turn that to the left. Look at that. That smells and looks magnificent. So here it is, my creamy ale-braised whole chicken with Poh lentils cooked in the Crockpot Express Easy Release Oval Multi-Cooker.